Hello friends, top 10 most expensive car accidents. Here is a list of the 10 most expensive car accidents. Number 10, Bugatti AB 110, $500,000 damages. This Bugatti's owner, Emile Ratelband, is the well-known and famous guru. He probably had hard times and faced difficulty in keeping himself calm and positive when he found out that his Bugatti was crashed, causing $500,000 damages. The Bugatti was being driven by the mechanic for a regular checkup. The driver lost control and claimed that there was a slip on the road. Number 9, Mercedes-Benz SL 300, $750,000 damages. This owner would never choose to park his Mercedes this way if he knew that a landscaping truck, a property of the city of Seattle, would crash into his beloved car, destroying the entire front part and leaving a damage worth $750,000. If he could get back in time, he probably would go for another parking spot. Number 8, Jaguar XJ220, $1 million damages. With the owner standing beside his beloved Jaguar, probably wondering about what happened and what he is going to do, the insurance company went on paying up $1 million for the damages resulting from the Jaguar crash into a streetlight. The situation wasn't pleasant for anyone observing or being involved in the accidents. Number 7, another Jaguar XJ220, $1 million damages. The billionaire driving this Jaguar XJ220 probably didn't care about what may happen as he kept speeding up until ended up completely crushing his pricey car. The damages left after the car accident reached nearly $1 million. Number 6, and a third Jaguar XJ220 causes $1 million damages. It seems that cunning billionaires and multimillionaires should skip buying Jaguars or at least try limit their speed while driving. The driver lost control over the vehicle while driving at a great speed and fell into a ditch. It probably feels great to drive at a high speed on the road while you are at the wheel of a $1 million worth Jaguar XJ220, but if your driving adventure ended up with a $1 million worth damages, no one ends up happy, especially your insurance company.